What's going on, guys? I just had to say a big thanks to buddy and subscriber Bruce Kelly for dropping by these at the camp. He's a certified badass. Thanks, Bruce. Alright guys, so we're down here in Tyson Wells looking at all of these rocks here and all the goodness you can pick up for dirt cheap. Need some new shades, they got them. Need some rocks, they got that. You need some kitchen tools, you need some whatever you need, man, they probably got it down here. But today I am specifically looking for a place that makes bowls out of rocks. So we are on a mission to find handmade pipes. Let's see if we can find them. Well, it does not look like he is in this one. And look at it all. If you can't find what you need here, you're not looking for it. Dudes, if you need chairs, they literally have a chair store. See? Still trying to find this cat. That's pretty cool. I bet you Paul would like that. So if you didn't find what you were looking for at the kitchen area or the tool area, you stop over here at Pixel Pro Prints, talk to Kelly, and she will hook you up with some gear, man. Shiny, colorful stuff, make you happy all over. How you doing today, Kelly?
I'm good, how are you?
I am doing fantastic. I love she's bringing back Shit Happens. You know what I mean? You remember this? If you're watching Vintage Van Life, you know you remember that. We need one of those stickers back on the van, man. Let's bring that back. Kelly, living the retro life. You got any specials today?
We have shirts for $20 or 2 for $35. You can also mix and match the wind spinners and the t-shirts for that $35 as well.
Awesome. Well, that's it. If you need some happiness in your camp, make sure you stop down here at Pixel Pro Prints to see Kelly, and she will make your camp happy. Dudes, look at this. I'm not even sure what year it is, but look at the color, dude. Looking at the grill, man, this is like a 77, like the War Wagon. I think it's on a tradesman chassis, but dude, it's an old War Wagon Chinook. It's even the right color pattern. Totally awesome, dude. I just wanted to give you a little heads up. So this is Tyson Wells right here. And then that's the wash at Tyson Wells. But did you know that you can continue down this road and it will take you to another marketplace? It's true. Let's go check it out. Gosh dang, look at that thing, dude. That is beautiful. Buddy, if you see this video, send me an email. Sun's at a really bad spot, but this is the sign you're looking for. Corner Marketplace. Man, I don't know these people. Not even a little bit. But check that out. That's what I'm talking about. All right, well, I saw this sign and I had to stop. Turns out this is a place where you can get stuff shipped, get some mail, all that good stuff. I am at the Corner Marketplace in Tyson Wells. I've never been down here before, but I think I've narrowed it down to where this is where I need to be. So let's go see if we can find the person we're looking for. I mean, look, dudes, there's a lot going on here, man. If you're into the rocks and gems, man, you got to come down and check this stuff out. So much stuff you can't even begin to imagine it. And then over here, that's the dude I'm looking for. I don't know if his thing's open or not. Let's go find out. I mean, dude, he's got an Allman Brothers flag. Huh. Yeah, brother. Oh, listen. We got music and everything. Let's come around here and see what we got. Uh-oh. There's music here. And look at these cool things he's got here. So yeah, man, he's not here. Brian. Like literally, Dave's not here, man. Brian said, come Alan, you're here. Oh, well, Alan's not here. Alan's right there. Here I am. What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today, I went out to meet a new friend that I met in the comments section of our video. All right, everybody. So this is my new friend Alen, and he makes these handcrafted stone pipes. I'm not even going to begin to tell you how he does it. We're just going to let the man himself tell you. Alen, how you doing today, my friend?
Hey, Brian. Great. Thanks for coming by.
Pleasure to be here, man. I just needed to check all of these fine items out that you got here. Looks like you spend a lot of time both rock hounding and creating.
Yeah, I do. Both of those things. I'm into rocks. I'm into smoking. And so I make these out of alabaster from Utah. I buy big chunks of it where they mine it up there around Summit, cut it up with a hacksaw, drill it, shape it with 60 grit sandpaper, and work it up to 400. And then I rub some coconut oil on it. Some of them I leave rough stone. Sometimes I get a piece of stone that has a corner on it, and then I can get one of these where I can leave them rough. And the other ones I polish them down smooth. This is what they call angel pink alabaster.
All right.
They call this slate green. They call this harvest gold. And they call this raspberry red.
Raspberry red, that's a cool color.
Yeah, yeah. You know,
That's like a Christmas pipe almost right there.
I know. Some of them, and even some of the green ones with the red in them. I mean, that almost looks like it has lace on it.
That is
And,
awesome.
It's just a reflection of what an awesome planet we live on, that you can just break off a little piece of it and polish it up, and it's beautiful.
I concur, sir. This is totally
I don't take any credit
awesome.
for the beauty of these things. All I'm doing is shaping them.
If you're down here in Tyson Wells, man, and you're a smoker, you got to stop down and see my buddy Alen. Check out his gear here, these awesome handcrafted stone pipes.
We're not in Tyson Wells. Past Tyson. Not actually in Tyson Wells. We're at the corner marketplace, which is just between Tyson Wells and the gym show that'll be down here.
If you guys see this sign right here,
That's a good marker.
you will also see that sign right there. And then see that guy right there. Thank you so much for inviting me to come out and check out your stand, man. This is a really awesome thing you got going here. I wish you the best of luck.
Brian, I think this is the one with your name on it.
Oh my gosh.
Right on. It's got a good deep bowl. I don't think you're a 1 or 2 toker.
Alen, thank you so much for this lovely
thank you,
gift,
man.
my friend, man.
You're so welcome.
Everybody, make sure you come down and say Alen, even if you just stop by and say hi, because I'm not going to lie, he's got an Allman Brothers flag hanging here, and when I rocked up, he was listening to some Neil Young, dude, so.
Right on.
With friends like that, that's why we have friends. Quartzsite 2025, man, this is where we're all at.
Right on. They're organic, homegrown, non-GMO, tariff-free.
All right, everybody, that is going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed our little stop down in Tyson Wells and meeting our new friend Alen at the Handcrafted Stone Pipes. Make sure you go check him out. And like we said, it's past Tyson Wells, about 1/3 of a mile. But that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on van. There's just cool vans everywhere. All right, man, so I'm just cruising here and check out this sign, Stone Pipes. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this guy's got. Holy shit, it's Billy Bob Thornton, everybody.
How you doing there, Brian?